These bows are placed in a gear shaper for processing. Once the bow is fixed, pressing the aluminum arrow, the gear shaper's blade moves up and down to cut the bow. This machine is something many companies in our country don't have. However, companies that don't make gear products generally don't need this machine. After processing, the bows become gears. To fix the gear shaft, workers also need to process the shaft sleeve. Processing the shaft sleeve is quite simple. Just install a boring tool on the drill press. Fix the bow. And bore it. Then, use this seemingly dangerous but actually unsafe modified lathe to wash the outer circle. This completes the shaft sleeve processing. Then, workers install the gear shaft into the shaft sleeve. To ensure the hydraulic pump works smoothly, workers also run in the new gears. After running in, workers clean the gears to remove metal powder from the surface. These parts are then sent to the assembly workshop. For the hydraulic pump's sealing, workers install various sealing rings on the pump cylinder head. Then workers assemble all the parts together to test the sealing. And lubricate the internal gears. Workers rotate the hydraulic pump, allowing the lubricant to flow continuously inside, after confirming the sealing. Is fine, workers place the cleaned hydraulic pump on a marking machine. This is a laser marking machine, controlled by a computer to engrave logos and model numbers. After this, process, the hydraulic pump can be shipped nationwide. Through this video, I wonder if everyone has a new perspective on Pakistan's machinery manufacturing.